minsan nagtatanong sa'yo, dito kami sa harapan. I don't, is there something wrong with your, with your eyes?
Yes, actually, ito po yung gusto ko talaga i-explain. I almost got blind po. I had a corneal abrasion. So every time there's light in my eyes, it's very, very painful. And nagdo-double po yung vision ko, so I don't know where to look. And muntik na po ako mabulag dahil sa lash extension. Nasugatan po yung eye ko, tapos konting ano na lang po is nasa pupil na. So I almost got blind po from that.
Okay. Kanina, binanggit ni Eugene Asis, ng aking editor sa People's Journal. Of course, hindi binanggit yung mom at saka yung parents, at saka yung dad mo. Of course, your mom is dating ring artist ng Viva, Raven Villanueva.
Yes po.
Right? And of course, your dad, ikaw na magsabi.
My dad is also
Diego
an
Castro.
actor, yes.
Diego Castro.
Yeah.
And of
And
course,
my tito po si Rico yan.
oh, Rico yan. And of course, your grandparents ay sina?
June Kidley and Angelo Castro po.
Yes, kaya sinabi kanina ni Tito Eugene mo na you came from showbiz royalty.
Yes.
Yes. Since natanong naman na sa iyo kanina na of course kung anong reaction ng parents mo, actually this is our second time na nakita
Yes po, I
right?
remember your voice po.
Yes, Angel. Alam mo, nakakatuwa ka lang kasi lang ikaw yung, I don't know if I should say the word, walang pakialam. Kasi, di ba, you know, you're kika, you're so honest, you're so, basta sasabihin mo yung gusto mong sabihin.
Yes po, totoo
Okay.
yan.
Kasi tapos yung, babanggitin ko na rin galing ka sa Sparkle,
Yes po.
Jamie Artist. Kaya ka umalis, parang hindi ka nag-grow doon as an
Hindi po
artist.
talaga.
Okay, so ano expectation mo ngayon nagpapasexy ka na sa Viva, sa VMX?
To be honest po, after my contract ended with GMA, wala na po akong plano mag-showbiz. Kasi hindi ko po kinaya yung bashing. Tsaka yung workload, it really made me question my worth. So ngayon po, I feel like I want a redemption kasi kahit hindi po ako perfect sa tingin ng mga tao, gusto ko po i-redeem yung sarili ko sa pinagdaanan kong bashing po. So this is my second chance po to fight for myself.
Do you think na hindi ka makakatanggap ng bashing ngayon, mas nagpapasexy ka na?
Ay, may basher pa din po, pero alam niyo po, yung mga basher po, hindi naman sila nakasubscribe sa VMX. Yung mga nakasubscribe po, sila pa po yung nakasupport eh. So, deadma po, kasi hindi naman sila nakasubscribe.
Okay, thank you, Angel. And good luck to you. Teka, may nakalimutan akong itanong. Bakit pagpapasexy ang pinasok mo nung mag-join ka sa Viva?
To be honest, that's a good question po. Kasi wala talaga akong plan magpa-sexy or what. Well, actually, beforehand naman, yung mga post ko sa IG medyo seductive na eh, kahit nung nag-GMA po ako. So medyo, siguro po doon na din napunta yung trajectory ko, I guess. So,
Thank you.
Sa lash extension, na-infect?
yes
Or
po.
is it yung cluster na dinidikit lang or yung pinapagawa sa salon?
Pinalid po. Basically, what happened was, hindi po maganda yung pagkakabit, tapos ginamit po is plastic. Ito, awareness na din sa lahat ng manonood, kasi pwede po, ang dami pong cases na nabulag dahil sa lash extension. Awareness na din po, kaya ko sasabihin. Yung ginamit po sa akin is plastic eyelashes. Dinikit po siya using bond, yung glue. And then, nakatulog po ako one time, pagkagising ko, sobrang hapdi na mata ko. As in burning pain, it's really, really painful. So, bale, I went to an eye doctor, nagpasundo pa ako sa friend ko. Iyak ako ng iyak talaga ang sakit. Tapos, in-x-ray po yung eye ko, yung scratch po is nasa pupil na, pa ganun na po. Tapos, hinagyan po nila ng steroids yung eyes ko. Actually, pwede naman po siyang agapan, kaso wala lang po talagang time na yun. Tsaka, kailangan po papabain yung uric acid ko.
So, how were you nung nangyari yun? Were you like really scared or hindi mo una inisip na baka seryoso alam mo yun, infection na or irritation?
I was scared. It's really painful. Some days, okay yung mata ko. Some days, babalik siya. Especially in the morning when I wake up. So, parang the feeling is like, nasusunog yung mata ko.
Oo.
Ganun po. So, muntik na ako mabulag talaga. May mga days na okay. Sabi ko, ay, okay, tapos na. Pero hanggang ngayon po, may mga days na gigising ako na sobrang hapdi po ng mata ko.
Oh, I'm so sorry. When did this happen?
I think I was in Sparkle, GMA.
Medyo matagal na rin
Oo,
siya.
matagal. Pero on-off po yung ano ng mata ko eh.
Thank you for sharing, Angel. Thank you.
She was being offered 150K for a one-night stand. If you were in her shoes, ano ang magiging reaction niyo at anong gagawin niyo?
Me po, ako na mag-start. No, I'm in a happy relationship po. And that's really disrespectful for my partner po. I respect him and that would be, even if, let's say, he were to find out, it's still on my conscience, I couldn't. I will just keep yung mga sexy scene at work purely at Viva, but no money can replace po yung relationship ko.
Hi, Angel.
Okay, sorry.
Okay lang, kung nahihirapan ka, no problem.
Okay.
Nagulat talaga ako sa'yo nung nakita kita ngayon ha, kasi first time kitang nakita. Ang sexy-sexy mo, gifted ka.
Thank you.
Sa'yo ba lahat yan? I mean, alam naman natin,
Sa
di ba?
akin po lahat. Sa akin siya.
Lahat.
Kay
Lahat.
lahat.
Sa akin siya.
Ako may-ari ng katawan ko.
Pero wala naman yung enhancement or something.
I will not deny I do have enhancement pero hindi na po sa i-pinpoint ko kasi ang hypocrite ko naman po kung hindi ko aminin ay obvious naman. So ang sa akin lang po hindi ko na i-pinpoint kung ano pa basta meron po akong enhancement.
Hindi mo mahirap yun on your part. Napaka-sexy mo and then may jowa ka. Tapos yung, ang dami-dami mga lalaki syempre na papansinin ka, di ba? Parang meron silang mga indirect sexual,
Yeah.
ano tawag doon? Advancement or something, mga ganon.
Yeah.
Hindi ka ba somehow nababastos or na, ano yung mga ganon na parang na-invade yung iyong pagkababae or something?
Kasi po, to be honest, palaban po ako. So the moment na feel ko na malapit na akong bastusin ito or nakikita ko na yung intention, I will say, hindi naman po ako perfect, pero pag nasi-sense ko na, i-exit na po ako sa situation or I will defend myself. And alam po ng boyfriend ko yun na bago pa lang ako bastusin, magsasalita na po ako. Kasi hindi po pwede yun. Porket po, sexy star, hindi ibig sabihin bastusin na babae.
Ano yung instance na napikon ka and then you almost hit the guy? O nakasampal ka na ba? Gano'n, nakapagmura ka na direct?
Doon naman po, may napagsabihan po ako dahil, syempre minsan before when I used to party before, like in BGC, syempre po minsan may manghihipo. Ganon.
Saan ka nahipuan?
Sa puwet po. But actually, to be honest, most of the time, yung sister ko po yung nagtatanggol sa akin. Ganun yung sister ko, can you get your hands off of her? Gaganon siya.
Wala ka pang job at that time.
Ako po, wala pa po.
Ah.
Recent lang po kami, mga Feb.
So hindi na kayo lumalabas para hindi magkaroon ng gulo or something, gano'n?
Ako po kasi, if I were to be honest, I don't like to drink. I don't drink alcohol po anymore because I do have some health issues po sa kidney. So I cannot go out anymore and party. So healthy living lang po ako ngayon and stay at home girlfriend. Wow.
Anong mga limitations? Anong mga limitations mo pagdating sa pagpapasexy?
Wala po.
Well, as in kahit frontal,
Yes, may frontal po ako. Lahat. The
Ah?
whole 9 yards, meron po.
as in, okay lang ba sa boyfriend mo?
He knows po. I showed him some mga BTS, ganun. Noong una hindi, sabi niya, Viva 1 lang ha, Viva 1. Pero as slowly natanggap niya kasi sabi niya, well, we're not getting any younger and he understands it's a job. And I explained to him na wala namang bastusan. And sa mismong scene po, never naman ako na-turn on. It's just purely acting. Even yung mga kapartner ko po, hindi naman sila na-turn on po kasi eksena. So, like, wala po siyang kina-worry ngayon.
Okay.
Masasabi ko. Sorry.
Okay na po.
Kasi yung mama was an old friend, so yun,
Oh.
medyo parang ang feeling ko bumata ako ngayon kasi ang nakakarap ko yung younger Raven.
Oh.
Anyway, okay lang ba to parang magtanong about your mom?
Yes, no problem.
No problem. Anyway,
Sorry, I had to look for you pa.
I'm here. Where is she now and what is she doing now?
My mom, she's currently in the States with my siblings. She's happily married to my stepdad right now.
Mhm.
As I've said po sa previous interviews ko, we do not have any communication. But I will not talk about it na lang po kasi I guess some things are better left private po. But I do have so much love for her and I know she loves me too.
So you haven't had any communication these
Yes.
past years?
For 10 years.
Wow, okay. Pero paano mo na babalitaan mga anything about her?
Facebook.
Sa Facebook lang. So she's not commenting or reacting to whatever you're posting? Ganun.
No.
Wala. Okay. What about your dad?
My dad,
Yeah.
I text him daily. Kasi
Okay.
He's a very happy-go-lucky person, joker po siya. So, yung dad ko po, mabilis ko po siya makausap about things. When I have problems, I can go to him po. Ganun. Pag when I'm worried about something, I can talk to my dad about it. We're very close po.
Okay. That's good. Pero alam mo na showbiz royalty ka. Because your lolo is also a popular newscaster.
Yes po.
Oo.
I didn't know na royalty pala yung term, but yeah, my grandfather was the founder of, if I'm correct, TV Patrol.
Yeah.
Yes po.
So, halimbawa lang na in the future, magkaroon ka ng pagkakataon na maging newscaster din. Would you consider that?
I think I will just stay with stick to acting because
Okay.
mahirap po ang maging isang journalist kasi po ako sa workload ng father ko and it's not really a passion of mine. So,
Okay. So, yung reason mo why you change your name to Angel Castro was because you're a namesake of our press secretary, tama ba?
Yes po.
Claire Castro.
Yeah. Actually po kasi if you search Claire Castro, siya na po yung lumilitaw.
Wala ka na.
Oo, wala. Nabura na po ako.
Okay.
But that's why I wanted to change. Actually, Claire is not my real name. It's a made-up name, to be honest. Kasi growing up, we were very religious. So I was born August 11. That's the Feast of St. Clair, which is the patron saint of television. So ginamit ko po yung name na Claire kasi my name was supposed to be changed to Claire, but my real name po is Angelica.
So
So
ano din,
Angel. So I just switched back to my real name.
connected din doon sa real name mo?
Yes po.
Okay, that's good. And congrats sa sa iyong decision to go sexy kasi yung mom mo naman talaga was very sexy. Jennifer.
Thank you. Yeah, she's very sexy.
Yeah, okay.
May nabasa. You said 10 years na kayo walang communication ng mom mo. What's your fondest memory of your mom? If it's okay to share.
Fondest memory, nung bata po ako, ang hilig niya ako, alam ko babe. Nung bata po ako, yung mom ko sinusupport yung mga weird hobby, yung mga weird interests ko, yung mga weird, kasi dati po I'm a big horror film buff. So, she supported yung mga interest ko po na medyo niche ba. Tsaka nagko-collect po ako ng mga mga Death Note, yung mga ganon. So, yung fondest memory ko po of my mom is yung sinusupport niya yung mga weird quirks ko, ganon.
Do you have plans of reaching out to her?
I have.
Sometime soon or?
I haven't thought about it po, but I have reached out. I did not get a response, but it's not her problem. It's not anyone's problem. She's still my mom at the end of the day. I have so much love and respect for her. But siguro pa po, maybe kailangan lang ng time, konting time pa po kasi hindi po lahat ng problema mabilis pong maayos.
By the way, your grandma was a friend of mine, si Tita Joan.
Aw,
Yeah.
I
Thank you,
miss
that's
her.
all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Dolly. Ngayon naman, from